I'm in love. I love this wig, okay? What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you are new. Hey girl, hey, I'm Sharron. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. And today, girl, I'm really excited. I think I found us the perfect everyday closure wig. Let's get into it.
Hey y'all, so today's wig is sent over from Ashimary or Ashimary. So first, let's get into the packaging. They gave the typical goodies, all the stuff that we love and appreciate, especially the edge brush. I could never have too many, but they did add in a couple of sets of press-ons, which was cute. But let's get into the wig. So they sent me over their 5x5 glueless HD lace body wave wig in 20 inches. And I'm gonna give you a spoiler, I'm obsessed. I love this wig. They added an elastic band this time. It has absolutely no combs, but I'm gonna co-wash the wig and then I'll be back.
Okay, here is our girl after she has been co-washed and air dry. You know, I live for an effortless wave. I think though what I'm going to do is just throw some like random wand curls in it, just like at the top portion. Well, not at the top portion, but you know what I'm saying, to give the top portion a little bit of life, because she is just a little flat at the top. But this is just what it looks like in its natural state. I am gonna have to go in and like straighten the part. I should have did that when I was washing it, but you know, ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's try her on. Oh, I need my wig cap. Got my wig cap. Also had to throw on some earrings. Oh yes, can I tell you how much I love that they added an elastic band? It just makes so much of a difference. And this wig, this cap has no combs, so elastic band is like mandatory. So I love that they put in an elastic band. This is pre-cut lace, so this is before I even do anything to the part or anything. And like I said, I'm gonna throw some like loose wand curls in it just to add a little bit of something extra to the top part. But look at how beautiful this already looks with the natural wave. Love, love, love that. So let's get to styling.
Shawty make that ass clap, she don't need no flow. High fashion, like go yard, D-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. Yeah. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just had a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the red bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top, babe. She wants your name,
I'm in love. I love this wig, okay? Let's just get into it because I'm really excited. So first of all, I love that they added an elastic band. It really makes a big, big, big difference. I feel like I was saying before, that any wig constructed in today's time should just have an elastic band automatically. I feel like it's a no-brainer at this point. It really helps to keep the wig laying flat. It's snug on your head. You don't have to use any sort of adhesive to keep the lace part of the wig down. Like, it just should be mandatory at this point. I love, 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 love the way this feels and fits on my head. It feels nice and snug. Love that for me. Now, you know, I live for an effortless wave. I'm realizing about myself, I love wigs that have some sort of texture. Like just bone straight, silky straight wigs, I'm not really here for. I need like yakking up, you know what I'm saying? I need texture, I need volume, I need body, you know what I'm saying? So I live for an effortless wave kind of a vibe. And usually any body wave texture or any sort of like deep wave or water wave or something like that, once you wash it in its natural state, it really is gonna kind of give this vibe. As you saw, I did throw in some extra wand curls. This hair set, baby, I'm gonna take a curl, okay? I'm gonna hold it tight and I'm never gonna let it go. This hair curls like nobody's business. As you saw, I literally couldn't even hold the wand curl on it for longer than a second because it was gonna take like a nice wand curl kind of a curl, and that's not what I was going for. I was going for like a beachy wave, you know what I'm saying? Like that kind of vibe. But just like my first curl or wand curl that I tried to do, I held it on for 10 seconds thinking like, you know, that's what you normally do, right? And it like curled up like crazy. So one thing this hair is gonna do is gonna curl, okay? These are the types of wigs that I wear on like an everyday basis because it doesn't need to look perfect. And again, if you're not new here, then you know I'm not doing perfect hair. I don't really like a perfect, like super, I mean, sometimes it calls for it depending on the style, but in terms of a wig and stuff like that, like I like an effortless look because I don't have time to be worrying about my hair throughout the day. And like if a hair is out of place or if a curl is uncurling, like I just don't have time. So for me, these wigs, these types of textures and patterns really work best for me on an everyday basis because you can pop it on and go. Even as the curls start to like fall, it still looks nice, you know what I'm saying? So love it. The density on this wig is my perfect playground. I love the density on this wig. This is like my favorite kind of a density. I'm not 100% sure what the actual density is, but to me it's given like a good 150, and that's my sweet spot. I love 150% density when it comes to most textures. That works best for me because I like it to be like a little bit more natural. I don't like to feel like I got a crap ton of hair on my head, like I said, especially for an everyday kind of a vibe. Also, I love the length. I picked 20 inches because for me, again, it just goes into the just perfect everyday kind of a wig that I like to wear. Like I said, the texture, the length, the density, it's all screaming every day. At least for me, this is like my type of everyday wig and I'm in love. It just looks so luscious too. And mind you, I didn't put any product in this wig. I did co-wash it and then I let it air dry. That was it. No heat protectant, no oil, no nothing. The hair feels gorgeous. It feels really, really nice, really, really luscious. As you see, it looks nice and luscious. Like this hair quality is amazing. I do feel like on the part, like the knot situation, they kind of over bleached it a tad bit. So I had to kind of go in, and I usually like to do this like kind of whitish powder in the part first to kind of offset some of the orange if like the knots are over bleached or if the color of the lace is just a little bit too dark or whatever the case may be, like because it helps to kind of like offset, like I said. So I usually go in with this light color and then I go on top with just a tad bit of the Fit Me to kind of bring it back more to like my skin tone, even though our scalps are usually like not the color of our skin tone, but you know, whatever. The density on the closure is really good. As you see, this was the part I didn't have to go in and tweeze or anything like that, so that is really, really good. These wigs are designed and constructed for you to kind of like wear them on the go. It's kind of meant to be a pop on and go kind of a moment, which is why the lace is already pre-cut, the knots are bleached and plucked and all of that stuff. It's just making it easier for you to wear it on an everyday basis. So that is definitely the case with this wig. So yeah, y'all, I think for me, this wig is a must have. It has all the criteria for an everyday wig. So I love it. I'm in love. I would definitely recommend you checking it out if you are interested in getting yourself like a new cute little everyday wig. But please keep in mind, the curl is gonna curl. So if you want a little effortless wave, don't hold that curling iron or that wand curler on his hair for too long because she's gonna curl and she's gonna hold and she's gonna stick. Okay, y'all, that's all I got for you today. Once again, thanks so much to Ashimary or Ashimary for sending me over this wig and collaborating with your girl on today's video. If you are interested in the wig or the company, I will have all of the links to the wig and company in the description box for you to check it out. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I will catch you in the next one. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings.